Database administrators face challenges in ensuring the optimized functioning of the database operations. This dashboard from Deevita, built on Power BI, helps them in the performance tuning of the database. The left extreme corner shows the database information such as the name, pricing tier, status, recovery status, language, and the database usage. This page of the dashboard shows the important performance metrics of the Azure SQL queries running on the database, including the total duration, total CPU time, total row count, total logical reads, total logical writes, total physical reads, total memory consumption, total log memory used, and total temp DB memory used. All these performance metrics are measured with respect to different dates. Let us focus on this specific visual where it shows the time taken for the Azure SQL queries to run on different dates. And let us drill through a specific date. So for this specific date, we can see the different query IDs which run and the time taken for it to run. We can also see the execution times for the plan IDs associated to each query ID and the total duration taken. You can also filter according to the object name and see the performance metrics. Going back to the dashboard, let us move on to the second page of the dashboard, which gives the same performance metrics with respect to the different query IDs. Additionally, we can see the maximum performance metric, the average performance metric, and the minimum performance metric. Let us drill through a specific visual and we can see the visual for this specific query ID and the specific object name, and we can see the total plan IDs associated. You can also select a specific plan ID and see the performance metric, and you can filter it according to the execution status. You can filter it according to the plan ID, or you can filter it according to the start interval and see the metrics. If you want to see this data on your dashboard, contact Deevita today by emailing us at sales@deevita.com. Thank you.